How to delete Ring app account. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Ring app account. Whether you've decided to stop using the Ring system or just want to remove your account, I'll walk you through the process step by step, so let's get started. First, open the Ring app on your phone. If you haven't already, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, simply log into your account. Next, tap on the three lines or menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then scroll down and select Account Settings. Now, there's no direct option to delete your Ring account within the app itself, so you'll need to contact Ring support to request account deletion. Scroll down and tap on Help or Support. Once in the support section, look for the option to either email or chat with Ring support. When you contact them, simply tell them that you want to delete your Ring account. You may need to verify your identity to ensure the request is legitimate. After you submit your request, Ring will support process your request and confirm that your account has been deleted. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete your Ring app account by contacting support.